How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you know, my car on the back is my 2009 BMW 128i. So this car is 2009. As you can believe, the body is still good, looks still fresh. But there's something on this car that makes it look so old. And you know what I'm talking about. If you have this kind of thing on your car, this makes the car look really old if you don't take care of this. So I'm talking about the oxidized headlight. As you can see that the headlight is oxidized. It's starting to become more yellow. You know, last time I fixed this, I used the $10 turtle wax headlight restoration kit. But now I think it's due for another restoration. So there's a bestseller now on Amazon that can make this headlight really look like brand new. So I'm talking about this product from Amazon. This is the bestseller they have so far for headlight lens restoration. So this one guarantees that you're gonna have this excellent looking headlights for life, or until you own your car anyway. So guys, let's get started. So here we have the headlight restoration kit. This by the way is a ceramic headlight restoration kit, and it's made by Cerakote. So it's a professional ceramic coating. You don't need any tools to use this product, and it's easy to apply. And also here they give you the guarantee that it will restore your headlight like brand new. So they tell you all the precautions here and what's inside the kit. So here it says we have 8 oxidation remover wipes, complete surface prep kit, 2 ceramic clear coat wipes, and 1 application gloves. It's a nicely boxed and says here lifetime guarantee. This is not too bad, not too expensive, not like the turtle wax that I used before. It's on special right now for 26 Canadian dollars, so it's not too bad. So you have your instruction manual here. You have the ceramic clear coating. So it tells you what step you have to use this product, and it's step 3. So we have to go by step by step. So we have to use the step 1 and another step 1. So there's 4 step 1 of oxidation remover, and this is the last one with the ceramic. This is the last one with the ceramic coating on it, which is the final stage to complete the installation or application of the headlight restoration kit. Okay, inside there's no more. We have this look like a foam, it's a pad, it's like a foam, yeah, it's a very light foam applicator with some velcro on it. And here we have some different sandpaper, and this is the step 2. They say step 2 to prep it. So we have a 2000 grit sandpaper and a 3000 grit sandpaper, and then we use the applicator or the holder for the sandpaper. So basically this is the step 2, and here you have the gloves. So that's good, they include the gloves for doing the application, because you don't want the ceramic coating to go on your fingers. So that's very good. Alright, so let's go. Before I forgot to tell you guys, before we start the application of this product, we also gonna need something to protect the headlight from sanding. So here we need the painter's tape. We're gonna apply the painter's tape around the headlights to protect the paint from sanding. And you're gonna need some microfiber towel, brand new one, preferably clean one, and a spray bottle with water, clean water. That's all you need. So because when we sand it, we want to lubricate the sanding at the same time by spraying it with water and sanding it. So now let's go start the application of this ceramic coating on the headlights. So first we have to make sure that the car is clean, or even though the car is dirty, but just make sure that the area, this area should be clean. So at least we can put the tape around it to protect it from sanding. Then we can start our own headlight restoration. So we can just put down the tape. Yeah, it's better to squeeze it inside there, because you don't want to scratch the paint surface on the inside of the bumper. So now that we got all the tape done on the car, we have to do the headlight restoration oxidation remover. So this is the step 1. So you can use a scrubbing or circular motion to remove the oxidation with this. Okay. Starting to get yellow, but it's not as bad. So I think we're just gonna use only one. Just make you scrub really good. So with the oxidation remover, the headlight started to look better already. So it's not too bad. Okay, that's about it. This one we have to rinse. So now it's time for the 2000 grit sandpaper, and we're gonna attach it to the holder, and then we're just gonna keep the headlight really wet, and then we're gonna sand in the non-circular method. That means we're gonna go only linear. Make sure it's completely wet. Even the sandpaper, make it wet. And then we're gonna go side to side for 2 to 3 minutes. If something that you cannot reach with the sandpaper by this applicator, it's better to remove the sandpaper and just do it manually with your finger. So you can remove the sandpaper and just use your finger to go inside that area that the sanding cannot reach. Need to wipe it dry. So now it's time to use the 3000 grit. The same process, but this time this is a more finer grit of sandpaper, so that means we're gonna make the scratches more finer, so it's gonna be ready for the ceramic coating after. So then again, wet the headlight. Again, non-circular motion, just linear straight line. I'm gonna take out the sandpaper and reach the thing that the sanding block cannot reach. You have to do this manually. So it's very important before we do the ceramic coating to make this headlight completely dry. So I'm gonna use my leaf blower to make sure that this is completely dry. Now after the 3000 sandpaper, nice and cloudy right now, I dried it with this leaf blower. Now we can take out the tape and then wipe it out with the ceramic coating. So now we're moving to step 3 with this restoration kit ceramic clear coating. So this is the final stage where we have to wipe it off on the headlight, and we have to make it 50% overlapping every time we have to do a one wipe. We just have to do one coat and that's it. So we're gonna start from the top. We're gonna do a one wipe. %50 overlap from the second wipe. I can see right now that it looks really great. Wow. What a transformation. Amazing. That's it. Wow, holy cow. Unfreaking believable, guys. I'm telling you right now. Unbelievable. Let me take off my gloves. So we just have to cure this for 1 hour and that's it. Just make sure when you wipe it off, you don't touch the body. If you do touch it, you can just wipe it off right away with a clean rag or a clean microfiber towel. But just to show you guys, look how it is. Oh my god. Look at that freaking headlight, boy. Nice. Amazing. Holy cow. So that's the after and that's the before. Okay, put the light on. So that's the before and this is the after. What an amazing transformation. Oh my god. Unbelievable. So now guys, it's the same process on the other side. But look at the difference. But what an unbelievable product. Look at it. It looks freaking brand new. Holy cow. So guys, that's it for the video. So if you're interested in this product, I'm gonna put down the link down below on Amazon. So guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.